I'm Maggie Horlander with Mary Wilson Keener CPA in Frisco, Texas. You may reach our firm by calling 972-377-7078 or by visiting our website at www.mwkcpa.com. As the holiday approaches, we are all busy with travel, family, and last-minute errands to run. But at Mary Wilson Keener CPA, the Frisco CPA, we are aware that in between all the hustle and bustle of the holiday season, a lot of us will be taking time out to share our good fortune with others by donating our time, money, clothing, perishable food items to a church, local food bank, or other charitable organizations. Keep in mind that charitable contributions are only tax deductible when Schedule A is included in the tax return. A Schedule A is included only when total itemized deductions exceed the amount of standard deductions that is allowed. Charitable contributions are added to medical expense, real estate taxes, state taxes, or sales tax, mortgage interest, and other deductions that are miscellaneous items. Contributions made by check or cash are usually the first thing we think of when thinking of charitable contributions and are the easiest to maintain in records. To claim a deduction for this type of contribution, you will need a canceled check or a letter or receipt from the charity. Items on the receipt should state the name and address of the charity, the date and the amount of the donation. Also included should be a statement that says no goods or services were provided for this donation. Charities thrive because we donate items, both new and used. We contribute clothes, household items. We donate food to the local food bank, and we purchase food donation bags at the grocery store or add an item to an angel tree. Be sure to get and keep these receipts. Take notice that in the name and address is on the receipt from the charity. There should be a description of what was given and a date on the receipt. If the total of all items donated are less than $500, the charitable contribution amount will be reported on Schedule A of your 1040 tax return. If the donations are more than $500, each date and donation will be reported on Form 8283, and more details will be needed. To complete this form, we will need the name and address of the donee organization, a description of the items donated, the date of the donation, the approximate date of the items that were acquired, how they were acquired, either by purchase or gift, the original cost, the fair market value of the item at the date of donation, and the method used to determine that. At first glance, this may seem overwhelming, but at Mary Wilson Keener CPA, your Frisco CPA, we can provide assistance in completing this form correctly to maximize your charitable deduction. The best approach to do this is to make a list of all items donated by creating two columns, one for the cost of the day at the date of purchase, and the other for the value of the donated items at the date of donation. When the record is complete, total each column. Keep this list and attach it to the receipt at the time of donation. This type of record is what is required to provide proof of contribution for these larger amounts. There are several value calculator programs available online. For example, the Salvation Army website provides a service for the contributors at no cost. If new items are purchased and donated, the purchase price and the fair market value will be the same at the time of donation, but the receipt should be saved to have proof of purchase. Charitable contributions may also be made through payroll deductions. This can be set up in a certain amount is deducted with each paycheck or a lump sum. The pledge card is proof of your donation, along with either a W-2 or a pay stub that shows the total amount donated. A document furnished by the employer that shows the amount withheld and paid to the charitable organization is also an acceptable record. Be sure to keep a record of the miles driven when donating time and services to churches and charitable organizations. As an example, going weekly to practice and singing in the church choir. Another example would be to deliver food items or food or other items to a specific shelter or families in need. Charitable mileage is a deduction that is oftentimes overlooked. It is important to stay on top of the ever-changing rules and requirements of the IRS. At Mary Wilson Keener CPA, your Frisco CPA, we make it our mission to know the latest changes and how they may affect you. Please give us a call at 972-377-7078. Be sure to visit our website and like us on Facebook. We offer tax preparation services, accounting services, and professional bookkeeping services in Frisco, Texas, and the surrounding areas. We look forward to being of service to you.